Hey woodworking enthusiasts! Did you know that in the United States alone, the woodworking industry generates over $10 billion in revenue annually? That's a lot of opportunities for passionate hobbyists like you to turn your love for woodworking into a profitable business. In today's video, we're going to explore the exciting journey of transitioning from a woodworking hobbyist to a successful business owner. Stick around because we've got some valuable insights to share. Tip number 1. Identify your niche. The first step in this journey should be to identify your niche within woodworking. What sets you apart from others? Do you specialize in custom furniture, intricate carvings, or unique wooden decor or crafts? Finding your niche is like discovering your woodworking superpower. It's where your passion and expertise collide, making your business stand out and giving you a big advantage from the starting line. Tip number 2. Assess your skills. Next up, assess your skills. As a hobbyist, you've likely developed some impressive woodworking talents. Now, it's time to take a closer look. What are your strengths? And where do you need improvement? Be honest with yourself. Consider taking courses or seeking mentorship to refine your skills where necessary. Later, you can hire others whose skills contribute significantly to the success of your woodworking business. Tip number 3. Craft a business plan. Crafting a business plan doesn't have to be intimidating. Start small and simple with a notebook. Outline your goals, your target audience, and how you plan to make a profit. Even if you're working from your garage or basement, having a clear plan will keep you focused and on track. Tip number 4. Legal and tax considerations. Now, let's talk about the not-so-glamorous side of entrepreneurship: legal and tax considerations. Register your business, get the necessary permits, and understand your tax obligations. Consulting with a professional can save you headaches down the road. Getting started on the right foot will make it easier once your business is rolling along. Tip number 5. Set achievable goals. Setting achievable goals is crucial. Start with short-term objectives, like completing a certain number of projects each month or reaching a specific income goal. As you achieve these milestones, you'll gain confidence and momentum for your woodworking business. Your goal should be to get paid for everything you make in your shop. Tip number 6. Find inspiration. Inspiration is like fuel for your creative engine. Explore woodworking magazines and websites, attend trade, home, and craft shows, and connect with fellow woodworkers at every opportunity. You never know where that next big idea will come from. Tip number 7. Build a brand identity. Building a brand identity is about creating a memorable impression. Think about your logo, business name, and the story behind your woodworking journey. Make it personal, and people will connect with your brand on a deeper level. Add branding to everything you do. And there you have it, fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Transitioning from a hobbyist to a business owner in woodworking is an exciting journey filled with creativity and potential. Remember to find your niche, assess your skills, craft a business plan, handle legalities, set achievable goals, stay inspired, and build a brand identity that reflects you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable woodworking insights and tips. Thanks for joining us today, and happy woodworking!